Watch me live as I make my withdrawal on Boom Live. Guys, if you have not downloaded this app, you are sleeping. I'm telling you the fact, you are sleeping because this app pays. Okay? Only you going live for 2 hours and you will receive your dose. Amo Ichok. Let's go to my wallet. Alright? It's loading. A size patient. Okay, we have landed. Alright, let's go to our big stars. My big stars is loading. Bagam. Are you seeing it? 3,289,107 big stars. How much is this money? How much does it worth in dollars? Let's check out. But it's what? Oh my God, my network is mixing me up. All right, here we are. It was $13, guys. $13. Woo! Do you know how much $13 is now in naira? Um, just with my smartphone, Wi-Fi or your data, you're good to go. And it doesn't waste time. So check out now the exchange rate of today. 250,000 big stars equals to $1 and is equals to 1,545 naira. That is how much $1 is today. So if you want to make withdrawal once you're here, as you can see, I've withdrawn before. I've binded my OPay account. So if you have not withdrawn before, all you need to do is go to place the right naira. Once you tap it, so you see other countries like Ghana, Kenya, you can use USD or USDT. All right, so anyone that you would like to use it. You can use your PalmPay, you can use your bank transfer. So me, I used OPay. I use OPay. So that's why you're seeing it. If you tap to view now, it will show you my account details here. As you can see, this is my account details. Is already here. So I'm gonna submit it. It's successful. All right. So I've already done it before. So why I did it again is because I want to withdraw. So this is the total amount that is here. So I want to withdraw the $13. Let's see. So submit. Yeah. Confirm. Withdrawal amount 3,250,000 base stars equals to $13 equals to 20,085 naira. Ooh! So that is how much I'm going to cash out now. So their fee rate is 5% and they will collect 162,500 B star from my account. All right, so I'm going to go ahead to confirm this right away. So confirm. Yeah. Ooh. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Stand up. Stop sleeping. Stop dulling. Go and download this app now. You don't have enough balance. You can currently withdraw 13.15. The withdrawal charge is 0.6573. Okay guys, it's like what it's telling me is that I don't have enough balance. Let's try 12 $12. Let's see how far it goes. Okay, $12 is 3 3,000 diamond equals to 18,540. Okay, so they will collect 150,000 B stars. Yeah, because if I'm to withdraw only $10, they will collect 125,000 B star. So the $2 now they collected 25,000 B star. Okay, confirm. Submit success. Ooh. Okay. Let me check my message. I've not gotten any message here. Okay, see it. We have initiated the withdrawal request and system is reviewing it. Withdrawal amount 18,540. Service fee B star 150. Withdrawal time 11:57. Payment time. So let's check the details. Yeah. Amount details. $12 equals to 3,000 B star. Local currency Nigeria fee 150,000 B star. That is their charge. Actual amount received 18,540. So this is the amount I received now. 18,540. Guys, isn't this amazing? It is. So they are still paying me. Okay, they are still paying it. Or within a small time now, it will be successful. So guys, my withdrawal is here. Your withdrawal has been issued. Please check whether the funds arrive in your account and payment will be automatically confirmed. After 2 hours, withdrawal amount 18,514 naira. Service fee Vista 150,000 Vista. Withdrawal time 11:57. Payment time 12 o'clock. Have you seen it? I initiated this withdrawal 11:57, 12 o'clock, only 3 minutes. They paid it into my account. This is shocking. Have you seen it? It has landed into my account. So it are you seeing it? Like, are you seeing transaction receipt successful? 18,540. Yes. This is it. Yes. So this is it, guys. Oh, my weekend goes sweet. So what are you waiting for? Download BoomLive. I'll leave the link on my comment section, okay, or on my description on how to download the app, on how to level up to 5 if you are a female host so that you can do your face authentication and start live streaming. If you are a male, you level to 10 before you can do your face authentication and start live streaming. So it's very easy and simple. This app really pays, guys. It's really paying. So all you need is just to, you know, like I said, download the app. Use the link on my comment section to download it. Once you download it, you do the things. I've made a video on how to level up both male and female. Go to my channel under Boom Life tutorial. You will see the playlist. I'll also add the playlist on this video on how you can level up. So watch the video. You'll learn how to level up. Okay. Once you level up, you do your face authentication and start live streaming and cash out like me this morning. Okay. So if you have watched this time and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share. I share about live streaming apps, websites that you can earn money from. So as you can see, this is my balance now. As I made that withdrawal, you saw my balance before now, 3 million plus. So after taking their own commission, their service fee, so this is my balance now, 139,107. I cannot see withdraw now again until I meet up my withdrawal threshold again, which is 2.5 million bill stars. Okay, so that is it. Please don't forget to download this app today and start cashing out. Bye guys, see you in my next one.